Everything in this world has a price. Time, place, and market determine its value. However, humans are the only entities that set their own value, that create their own worth. People often think they are valuable and that the world will recognize their value, but remember, value is always determined by one's abilities, skills, and contributions. If you don't make yourself capable and bring your skills to the market, you won't have any value. Your value will always be determined by your experience, skills, and talent. If you lack these, you cannot compete in this field. A person may consider themselves valuable, but true value lies in their character, standards, and capabilities. One important thing to keep in mind is that the world might think that having skills and experience will make you stand out in the market. But remember, the world values those who, along with skills and experience, meet the standards of character and integrity. If you have a vision, principles, and character, the world will recognize your value. There are millions out there with skills and experience, yet they have no real worth because they mistakenly believed their skills and experience alone would make them valuable. When companies or the world hire someone, they don't just look at skills and experience. They assess character, values, vision, and mindset. I recently watched a video where a group of young men went for an interview at a company. During the wait, one of them asked another, "Can I borrow your tie for a while? I'll return it after my turn." Most refused to lend their tie, but one young man agreed and handed over his tie. Later, when the results came out, it turned out that the person who had asked for the tie was the boss of the company, pretending to test the candidates. The young man who lent the tie was hired, not just because he had skills and experience, but because his character set him apart. The others, despite having skills, experience, and degrees, failed due to a lack of character. So, if you are skilled and experienced, remember that you also need to cultivate character and high standards. These qualities will enhance your worth and make you truly valuable.